Hello guys, it's Mokuba here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add stories on your Telegram account. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Telegram account. Once you're there, you click on your profile and your story timeline. After which, you simply hold your story. Once you're there, you are going to see add story. After that, you can simply take a shot, or you can simply take it directly from your gallery. So I'll choose some gallery. Once I'm there, I'll choose the image I want to add on my story or the video. So I'll choose the image. After which, you can simply add a caption. So I'll just say, "Hi guys." So once you're done with that, you click on what next. After that, you simply need to choose if you want everybody on Telegram should see this story, or if you want only your contact, or if you want to choose only your close friends, or you can choose contact people from your contact list to view the story. So I'm going to leave it in the first one. After that, I'm going to click on what post story. So guys, that is it, posting. So once uploading is done, we are going to verify. We'll click on it. So guys, that's the story we are just adding. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.